I was at the grocery store the other day and someone cut in line. Now, I'm sure that's happened to you as well at some point. I immediately felt the anger welling up. Hey, that guy's. But then I remembered something that neuroscientist Sam Harris said.
The power of the framing is again, this is a skill. It has immense utility because then you can realize that the half-life of negative emotions is incredibly short. If you're not continually thinking about all the reasons why you should be anxious, the physiology dissipates very, very quickly. And that's true for anger, it's true for anything that is classically negative.
That's the most eloquent way I've ever heard that said, which is you have control. It's a decision. Your emotions only last neurologically for a moment. But after that, it's up to you how you look at the situation. And I realized I wasn't in a hurry. I was waiting for my laundry to dry anyway. So I just clamped that down. And I was happy because I did that, but also because I realized that having control of your emotional state, especially if you're an entrepreneur, is critical. So you can practice for things like this when you're in traffic and someone cuts you off, or these minor things. Yes, you might get a response, and that's okay. But what you do after that response, that is a decision. And decision is the ultimate power.